My name is Hein van der Schoot. I'm the region director actually of Stadler service of the West region. That means for the countries the Netherlands and the UK. I work for Stadler since 2012. We have a nice market build up in the Netherlands, and now the next big challenge is to build our footprint here in the UK.
How is it that you came to choose Liverpool as your base of operations for the UK?
Actually, our philosophy as Stadler is to be very close to the business. And we secured a contract of 38 years here with the maintenance of the current fleet, the 507s and the 508. And later we have the introduction of our new beautiful train, the 777 fleet, which we will maintain 35 years. So we're sure for a very solid base here in Liverpool, and as a starting point we want to start from here and build our operations, but that's the reason that we choose Liverpool.
How important is it for international trade and also job development to be in Liverpool with the ports and everything else in the area?
Well, we look forward to, we bring the newest technology here to the area, and we must be aware that the maintenance of the current fleet is a complete different thing than what we need for the new fleet. But we are extremely eager to train the people. I mean, it's in our interest to have a very reliable and available fleet, and that means that we need very skilled and very well-trained people, and we put a lot of effort in that, in getting the current staff which is available for us to that level. And that's how we see the future here.
Will it lead to more cross-border cooperation and skill crossing?
Definitely. We as Dutch company, we have been taken over by Stadler. We were already very experienced with Stadler trains, and we see that our people with all the specific experience in maintenance, they are very much wanted by other companies of Stadler. So I see a lot of my people going around even to the USA, to Poland, to support for shorter or for longer terms, and I expect exactly the same for the people here in the UK. There will be massive opportunities, and history has shown that already.
Where else have you got rolling stock?
We have rolling stock in Sheffield at this moment and at Croydon. Those are light vehicle projects. And very exciting is the introduction of the first train in October in Norwich, which will be the first of 58 trains for East Anglia. In Glasgow we introduce our trains next year, second quarter, with the first test and commissioning rides.
How cross-transferable are the skills for those types of trains to the trains that are going to be operating here?
Those are more or less there are different trains, but the components, the systems are the same, the suppliers are more or less the same, so there's it's very well possible to transfer skills from one project to the other.
With the idea of cross-partnership between the UK and Europe, how does yours fit in with training?
That's a good question. We train our people very much in depth. It's important for us to have a perfect performance from the start, which is definitely a challenge. So that's why we select the people and we bring them to our factories. They help with building the trains and commissioning them. Later they will have introductions in our workshops in other countries in Europe, and that together, even with specific supplier trainings, that together makes them perfectly skilled and be able to maintain the trains in a perfect way from the start.
Thank you and good luck. We look forward to seeing you in Liverpool, and welcome to the UK.
Thank you very much.